Jeep Cherokee is back. After being discontinued, Jeep is reviving its legendary SUV in 2025 or 2026 with hybrid and electric versions. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, before you rush to book one, let's uncover the real cost of owning the new Cherokee in the US, from hidden dealership fees to long-term expenses. Trust me, the numbers may shock you. The Cherokee has been a household name in America for decades. Known for its rugged design, off-road credibility, and everyday practicality. But recently, it disappeared from the lineup. Now, Jeep is reviving it with a modern twist, a hybrid and full EV version, to compete with rivals like the Toyota RAV4 Prime, Ford Escape Hybrid, and even Tesla's Model Y. Sounds exciting, right? But before you think about parking one in your driveway, let's see what it really means to own one. Industry reports suggest the 2025/26 Cherokee Hybrid will start around $38,000. The fully electric version may push closer to $44,000. Now add the usual on-road costs. Destination fee, about $1,500. Sales tax, around $2,660 on the hybrid, or $3,080 on the EV. Dealer documentation fees, about $600. Registration and title, around $400. That means your on-road price is roughly $49,500 for the EV and $43,000 for the hybrid, before any incentives. Insurance will average about $1,800 per year for the hybrid, slightly higher for the EV at $1,950 per year, thanks to repair costs on battery systems. Over 5 years, that's about $9,000 to $9,750 in insurance bills. Maintenance? The hybrid will likely cost around $600 annually. Think brake service, tires, oil changes, and electronics. Over 5 years, that's about $3,000. For the EV, things are even lighter. No oil changes, less wear on brakes, so closer to $450 per year, or $2,250 over 5 years. Now here's where things get interesting. For the hybrid Cherokee, expect around 35 miles per gallon combined. At 12,000 miles a year, with gas at $3.50 a gallon, that's about $1,200 per year in fuel, or $6,000 over 5 years. For the electric Cherokee, with a 250 to 280 mile range and charging costs averaging 14 cents per kilowatt hour, annual charging will be roughly $700, adding up to just $3,500 across 5 years. That's a big difference in running costs. Like most Jeeps, depreciation is something to keep in mind. The hybrid is expected to lose around 45% of its value in 5 years, so a $38,000 SUV might resell for around $21,000. The EV? Since the market is evolving quickly, depreciation could be steeper, closer to 50%, meaning a $44,000 model could resell for about $22,000 after 5 years. So let's accumulate all of this. Over 5 years of ownership, hybrid Cherokee, on-road, $43,000, insurance, $9,000, maintenance, $3,000, fuel, $6,000, depreciation, $17,000, total cost, $78,000. Electric Cherokee, on-road, $49,500, insurance, $9,750, maintenance, $2,250, charging, $3,500, depreciation, $22,000, total cost, $87,000, not including financing or optional packages. So, who is the new Cherokee for? The hybrid is perfect for families who want an efficient daily driver, but still want that Jeep ruggedness for weekend adventures. The electric version is for tech-forward buyers, city commuters, eco-conscious families, and anyone looking for lower long-term fuel costs. In the end, the Cherokee revival looks promising. The hybrid keeps things balanced, while the EV puts Jeep into the modern electric age. Neither is the cheapest SUV to own, but they bring back the Cherokee name with a fresh identity. So, is it worth it? If you're after a stylish, efficient, and future-ready SUV with Jeep DNA, the answer is yes. What do you think of the new Jeep Cherokee revival? Would you go for the hybrid or the all-electric version? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world cost breakdowns on upcoming cars in the U.S.